Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here with MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to be taking a tour of the 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. All right, I just want to point out a couple of key options that we ordered on this Boston Whaler. This does have the 115 Mercury GT. It's going to be the XL shaft with the stainless steel prop. We've optioned this boat with the ski tow bar. That way if you are out with the day, not fishing, want to pull some family on the tube, you can do that. Another couple of nice options we did on this Whaler is the 9-inch Simrad. That way you're going to have down scan. You can see where all those fish are from the helm of this boat. We also optioned this boat with the full JL audio, so you're going to have great audio if you're not fishing, you're hanging out after a long day on the water. You've got a nice covered bimini here. This boat's going to be ready for 7 people. This is the Unsinkable Legend. So again, my name is Jarrett Vanderwerf. Come check it out.